Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a soldering iron, solder, a multimeter, precision screwdrivers, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure your work area is well lit and organized to avoid any mistakes during the process. Start by disconnecting the power supply to the Surface 1724. Safety is paramount. Once powered down, use the precision screwdrivers to remove the screws securing the casing. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Carefully lift the casing to expose the PCB. Inspect the board visually for any obvious signs of damage, such as burnt components or broken traces. If you find any, take note of them as these will need to be addressed. Next, let's focus on cleaning the PCB. Dampen a lint-free cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the surface. This will remove any dust or debris that could interfere with your repair. A clean board is essential for effective soldering and testing. Now, using your multimeter, check for continuity on the damaged areas. If you discover a broken trace, don't worry. You can repair this by applying solder to bridge the gap. If you encounter components that are burnt or damaged, they will need to be replaced. Make sure to use components that match the specifications of the original. Before proceeding with soldering, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure about your ability to repair the board, consider reaching out for assistance. Once you have your replacement components ready, apply a small amount of solder to the pads where the component will sit. Then, position the new component in place and heat the solder with your iron, ensuring a secure connection. If you find yourself lacking the necessary tools or expertise, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other tasks while we handle the repair. After soldering, it's crucial to test the board again with your multimeter. Ensure that all connections are secure and that the board is functioning as intended. If everything checks out, it's time to reassemble the casing. Before you close up, take a moment to ensure that no tools or debris are left on the board. A clean workspace leads to a successful repair. Secure the casing back in place using the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, if you require a quote before the repair, don't hesitate to ask. Knowing the cost up front can help you make informed decisions about your electronics maintenance. With your Surface 1724 now repaired, you can confidently reconnect the power supply and put it back into operation. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.